In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen Arteon key fob. All you'll need to get this done is a small-sized flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. Now, there is a version of this device that doesn't have the chrome finishing on the top and bottom. It's just, I think, a black plastic. Doesn't matter which one you have, you can just follow along with this video as the process is going to be the same. And if you don't know where to get these batteries, or you were thinking of getting one online anyway, go check out the first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. First step is to look up on the top of the device, and you can see this little switch here. Hold that down and push up the internal key. Now we're going to be putting something back into that keyhole to remove this back piece of plastic just by prying. And if you have the version that has the black plastic here, you're going to be able to put the key itself back in the keyhole just about that far, and then you will push up on it to pry this off. And as you can see, if you look at the seam in the plastic there, as I put some pressure, it does come off a little bit, but because this metal doesn't bend at all, it's a little bit difficult. So you can actually do this with the metal, just get it to open a little bit and then pull it off. And with the black plastic, that's just going to be a lot easier for you. If you're finding it difficult with the metal version, go ahead and grab something like a small screwdriver, anything that will fit in that keyhole. Just that's a little bit smaller than that key. It's going to help you to more easily pop off that back piece of plastic. So once we're inside, it's very easy. Just take a small flathead and look over here where the battery is. Between these two plastic tabs, you're just going to apply a little bit of pressure, kind of push the battery down and kind of pry it up, and it will come out very easily. Now, when you're putting in your new CR2032 battery, make sure that the positive side that has this plus sign on it is facing up, and you'll just slide it down into place and snap it under these two tabs right there. From here, all we need to do is put this back piece of plastic on there. So just snap that into place and put your internal key back in, pushing it all the way down. Now the last thing, if you want to check to make sure everything is working, you can press a button to make sure that that light is coming on. And if it does, that means you did everything perfectly and you are good to go. I hope this was a helpful video for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered here on this YouTube channel, as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.